Ready?
Morning everybody, Dustin Nichols here. Jackson Kayak Team Torqeedo on the water this morning. Gonna try to chase some shallow water redfish here. Throw some top water, got some other baits tied on too. Little jerk bait by Grande, salt fishing, and we're gonna see what we can do this morning.
Might have a flounder. No, little redfish. Little redfish on the plastic in that little drain right there. Yep, little baby one. Come on, I'll let you go. Yep, little red. Tink. There he is. Freaking blew up right next to me. Flew up there and got it. Another little rat reel. There he is, another one. Another little rat. Saw him blow up right to him. They'll come out and eat a freaking topwater right here. I don't know if they will or not. There he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. That's better fish right there. Still better fish. Threw it up there and got him. Yeah, there's a little small school moving through here. Going on a sleigh ride. Yeah, he's a good one. Get in there, boy. Come on, get in that net, boy. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Yeah, I saw that school moving down that bank right there. Got close enough to the grass and able to get up in there and get him. Get up there and get him with the top water. Oh, yes sir, there he is. Nice redfish. Nice 4-spot red, little heart shape. Yeah, Torqeedo get me back in here. Pretty redfish. Fatty, nice one. They're all up on that bank up there. All right, we're gonna let you go, bud. Bye. Hey, I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I was doing this morning. You know, I was just kind of sight casting those little fish that were pushing shrimp up against the grass with the little one knocker spook, and also the Spook Junior. Have good luck on that color there, the black and gold with a chartreuse head. Also little fluke style baits from Grande, airtail shad right there. I was flinging those on a little light jig head. So yeah, basically I was just, you know, just walking the dog super slow on these top waters. Whenever I saw active fish on the shoreline pushing small mullet or shad or the small shrimp, just trying to throw it in there and get a blow up on them, you know. Good times out here on the water here in Texas. Some little back bayous here in the area near where I live. Hope y'all enjoyed it.